Hey, what's up guys? Welcome. Thanks for joining me. Before I start, I just want to let you know that I have merch shirts for sale. 20 bucks right here, if you'd like to buy one. But they're available if you're interested. Today's video I'm going to show you how to play string skipping arpeggios and some regular arpeggios. Okay, so string skipping arpeggios. This is the pattern. So it's 10th fret on the A string, 9th fret on the D string, 12th fret on the D string. And then the skip is go down to the 8th fret on the B string. So it sounds like this. Now an A minor string skipping arpeggio is A, C, and E are the notes. So you got 7th fret on the D string, 5th fret and 9th fret on the G string, and then 5th on the A string. So it's like this. A little faster. Then G major would be 5th fret on the D, 4th fret on the B, and 7th fret on the B, and 7th fret on the B, and 3rd fret on the G. So it looks like this. There's a couple of string skipping arpeggios for you, and I'll show you some regular arpeggios from the 5th string. 5th fret A string, 3rd fret D string, 2nd fret G string, then 3rd fret D, 1st fret E, and then 5th fret E. So the first part is like this. And then the second part is all together. That's a D minor arpeggio. D, F, and A are the notes. Move up 2 frets to an E minor arpeggio. And those notes would be E, G, and B. Same pattern you did with the D minor. Now F major will be the 8th fret on the A, 7th fret on the D, 5th fret on the G, and then 6th fret on the B, 5th fret on the A, and 8th fret on the E. Then you take that same pattern, put up 2 frets, or F, A, and C. F, A, C. Then G, B, D. Same pattern for the major. Then you go minor pattern, which is A, C, and E. A, C, E. With these you can do a different bunch of variations of playing them. You can do pull off. Or we could do hammer on pull off at the end. Or you can do where you pull off and pull off on the E string and just play the note on the B string. So it's like this. Well, there you go. There's a few skipping arpeggios and arpeggios that you could put into your lead playing. So if you like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications, and I'll see you in the next one.